Hola, buenas tardes, and welcome to George's and Brandon's Cooking Show. Today we will be making pasteles.
Pasteles are a traditional Argentinian caramel-filled crescent.
They are delicious and easy to make.
This is what you'll need.
3 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of confectioner's sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a fourth teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter, 7 tablespoons of ice water, 2 tablespoons of milk, 25 pieces of caramel, a ½ cup of coconut, and 1 egg.
First, we just make the dough, and here's how we make it.
In a large bowl, stir together the confectioner's sugar, flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut the butter, and you can mix by hand or pastry blender. Okay, mix. Okay, next add the ice water, and then mix. Georgie, help. Mix until mixture is in pea-sized lumps. When you are done mixing, remember to refrigerate for an hour.
An hour? What should we do? Where is Brendan? Can't find him. Hey, Brendan, you in there? Man, are you shaving?
No, George. I'm betting Podgy.
Oh, okay. Hey, you want to go dance?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
Oh, I can't do it.
Turn it.
Sorry.
Next, combine milk, coconut, and caramel over a low heat. Now stir it all together. And pour it in. Keep mixing.
Next, roll out the dough and cut it into 3-inch circles and place it on the greased cookie sheet. Alright, next, add a tablespoon of water and the cracked egg. And beat it with your fork. Yeah.
Then, take the egg mixture and paint the edges of your cookie with it. Now, take some caramel and stick it into the middle of your pastille. Fold it over and press the edges together with your fork. Next, you stick them in the 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Oh, now they're ready. Now you know how to make delicious pasteles. Thank you for watching. Adios!